First, take Quick Selection tool. Then click on Select Subject. Then go to Layers panel, and mask the layer. Then go to Layers Adjustment Options, and select Solid Color Black. Then drag the second layer up. Then go to Layers Adjust Options, and choose Black and White. And follow the process. Then go to Layers panel, select first two layers. Right-click on Layers, and then Merge Layers. Select first layer, go to Filter, then Blur, and then Gaussian Blur, and follow the settings. Take Type tool, and follow the process.